guys, welcome back to CodeLytical. In today's video, we are going to look at a demo of our kiddie phone application, an application basically developed for kids to have fun. Guys, without wasting much time, we are just going to run the application and look at the demo of our application. Also, if you want the source code to this project, leave a comment or reach out to us from our email. Then we'll just get back to you. Also, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to CodeLytical for any future update. So let's go straight to our demo.
Hello, my friend. We are going to have so much fun on the phone together.
Okay, so from this app we have the counting numbers, the alphabet, and also shapes. Shapes also have the question and answer section. We have the
I'm waiting
game.
for you, friend. Come on.
We have the game section where the kids can also have fun while using the app. Also have the call where they can make a
There you
call.
are, friend.
So making the call is just a static call. It's not like making a real call. It's just a way or a form of making an entertainment from this game.
I love you, my friend.
Okay, so by default, the alphabet will be selected. If I click on the 1, 2, 3, the
Numbers are so
numbers
much fun.
will show.
Tap the buttons to learn their names.
When I click on the shapes too, the shapes will be displayed for us.
Tap the buttons to find the shapes. Ready? Let's start.
Okay, so now we are going to start from the alphabet. So I'll click on the alphabet, then we see how our application is.
The alphabet starts with A and ends with Z. Tap the letters to learn them. A.
So as the name is being pronounced for the kids, it is also showing the child or the kid how to write search.
B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N.
Okay, so now let's look at the numbers.
Numbers are so much fun. Tap the buttons to learn their names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so now let's look at our shapes.
Tap the buttons to find the shapes. Ready? Let's start. Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Pentagon. Hexagon. What's that? Trapezium.
Okay, so now let's look at the questions and answers part.
Can you find this number? 6. You found the right answer. Can you find this shape?
Hexagon.
It's okay, friend. Try again and you'll get it. Can you find this letter? P. That's not the right answer. Try again. Can you find this number? 6. Great job. Your answer is correct. Can you find this shape?
Hexagon.
Yay, you got it right. Congratulations. Can you find this letter? E. You found the right answer. Can you find this letter? V. Great job. Your answer is correct. Can you find this letter? W. Yay, you got it right. Congratulations. Can you find this number? 3. You found the right answer. Can you find this letter? F. Great job. Your answer is correct. Can you find this shape?
Okay,
Hat.
so now let's look at the game section. So basically the game section is like the snake game where we are going to use these keys to play the game. So 8 will make the snake go down, 4 to go left, and the red dot is basically the food. So let's go back to our learning view and try to make some, of course.
Tap the buttons to find the shapes. Ready? Let's start. Let's call someone now. Hi, I'm Magic Max. Share your secrets with me. Call me soon, my secret friend. I'll always listen to you. Hi, kitty. This is Super Sam. Call me if you need help. Hi, I'm Dr. Bridget from 103. I'm here to help you feel better. Hi, I'm Kitty. When you need help, always remember to call me. You have dialed a wrong number. Please. Let's call someone now.
Okay, so guys, basically this is all about our kiddie phone application.
Whose number do you want to dial?
Don't forget, this is CodeLytical. Kindly share our application. Forget to like and subscribe to CodeLytical. Thank you very much and see you in our next video.